guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we are playing with a brand new to me indie makeup brand and a new collection that was released for holiday 2020. I picked up the brand new Lethal Cosmetics Velvet Dusk eyeshadow palette along with 3 of their gel liners, 2 of which are new to their lineup and I think pretty sure accompany this Velvet Dusk eyeshadow palette. I want to say they released 3 or 4 new shades of their gel liners, but I only decided to pick up 2, and these are the 2 that really just jumped out at me and I wanted to have them in my collection. I purchased this over the Black Friday weekend sale that they had, and actually no, I take that back. These items were not on sale, but they were released, I think, during the Black Friday week. Not too sure, don't remember the exact details. But anyway, I was not expecting to receive this when I did. I ordered this on a pre-order, so I honestly thought I wasn't going to be receiving this till maybe towards the end of the month, maybe into early January. Lethal Cosmetics is a German indie makeup brand, so this little beauty came all the way from Germany and made its way down here to my beauty stash in South Texas. The only thing that was on sale was this other gel liner, and this is in the shade Reverb. I want to say this was part of their summer collection release, which, what was that palette called? Really pretty palette. I'll put a picture of it up here. That's also one that I would love to add to my collection. I've seen a lot of good reviews, nice looks created with it. So Lethal Cosmetics was definitely on my radar. It was a brand that I wanted to try. I wanted to welcome into my stash, and that is exactly what we are doing today. And here I am talking all about this palette, and I haven't even showed it to you yet. This is the Lethal Cosmetics Velvet Dusk eyeshadow palette. It is a 12-pan beauty. You get a mixture of mattes, metallics, and there are some duo and trio chromes in here. And I do love the color story on this. I think it's really unique. And I like that there's more mattes than there are shimmers. I've already swatched this palette outdoors in natural lighting, and FYI, it's swatched beautifully. No problems whatsoever. I even swatched the gel liners outdoors so that you can just see what they are going to look like. I love doing my swatches in natural lighting, and today is a gorgeous day here in South Texas. This palette retails for $47 on the Lethal Cosmetics website. Unfortunately, it is sold out at the moment. The gel liners retail for $15 a piece, although I did get this one on sale during the Black Friday weekend, and the shade I got is Reverb. Now let me quickly show you the gel liners before we begin. This is the shade Phase. Really nice, like a burgundy color. This is one that accompanies the Velvet Dusk collection, and so does this other one. This one is in the shade Hurts. Now, I have seen where people use these in their waterline because they are waterproof gel liners. That is something I've never tried. I've only used pencils in my waterline, so I'm going to be anxious to try that today. And then the other shade I got that was on sale, this was the only thing on sale, and this is the shade Reverb. I'm always in the market for a good purple liner, and so I definitely wanted to try this one out. All right, guys, so let's jump into the demo portion of today's video. I am going to be creating a look using this new Lethal Cosmetics Velvet Dusk eyeshadow palette, as well as incorporating some of the gel liners that I purchased. If you guys want to see the look I create, keep on watching. I already have some eyeshadow primer on, and I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. So now let's get started using this new Velvet Dusk palette, and I really like this green shade as well as this turquoise, or not turquoise, but like a teal shade right here. And then of course I like the purples. What are we going to do? I think I'm gonna go in with this purple shade right here. So I'm just gonna kind of like stamp it on first. Just kind of place it. These are really pigmented. This is the first shade that I go in with, and I'm really, really impressed. Now I'm just gonna kind of lightly blend along the edges with a clean brush. Add a little bit more. So far, we're off to a good start. Now I'm going to go in with this deeper purple right here. And of course, I'm going to work that on the outer corner. I'm going to use that same little brush. This is a ColourPop brush number E17. I'm just going to stamp it on the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm going to take that same little blending brush. This is a Morphe M514. I'm just going to blend it out a little bit. Just keeping it the outer portion. I think I want to go in, should we go in with this shade right here? Or should we go in with this shade? I don't want to go in with the purple. I don't want it like all, maybe I should just do it all purple. Let's try this shade. Let's see what that's gonna do. Now it does say to apply with a dense brush or to use your finger for these metallic shades. So I'm gonna go in first with my finger. And that's what it looks like. Whoa. Nice. Now I think I'm going to go in with a damp brush just so I can get the shadow exactly where I want it. My nails are a little long, so this is much easier. Now I'm going to go in with that first purple shade. Just kind of blend up here, right in here. Now let's work on the lower lash line. Now I do want to use this purple gel liner. I wonder if we put, let's see, and then there's this burgundy too. Let's go in with this shade right here. All right, now let's go in with this lighter shade right here for the inner corner. And I am gonna spray my brush. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like the perfect inner corner highlight. A little bit of fallout with that one, but overall not bad. Okay, so let me jump into one of the liners, and I know these other two are what go with the collection. Should I do this? You know what? I'm gonna do this burgundy one first. This one is called Phase. And I'm gonna apply that like really close to the lash line. And I'm getting this like really small little detail brush. This is a Morphe E35. Wow. Deepen up this lash line a bit. And then I want to use that purple one in the waterline. Now I'm going to take this other pencil brush that I was using for the shadow. Just kind of smoke this out. You have to act fast because these really dry down pretty quickly. Guys, look right here on my arm. Right, can you see it there? These swatches, these are the ones I did outside. And then I went in with my makeup remover wipe to try and get these off. See them. And they wouldn't come off. They would not come off with the makeup remover wipe. So these little beauties have stain power. Now let me try going in with Reverb in my lower waterline. And I'm going to use the same little E35 brush. Let me just clean it off. This is easy. Wow, that looks cool. I've never used a gel liner on my lower waterline before. I like it a lot. I think I'm just gonna do some black eyeliner at the top and of course do some mascara, maybe add a lash. I have so many new lashes that I need to try, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Alright guys, so this is the completed look using the new Lethal Cosmetics Velvet Dusk eyeshadow palette as well as some of their gel liners. What do you guys think? I am very happy with the way the look came out. I think the shadows performed really well, and I'm super impressed with the gel liners. Like I told you guys, I've never used a gel liner on my lower waterline before, and I'm really liking the way it looks. I can definitely see myself ordering some more of these gel liners. They had a lot of fun colors, so I'll definitely be picking up more of these in the future. As for the Velvet Dusk eyeshadow palette, I think that you get 12 very wearable shades, and I really like the color story. You just have a little bit of everything in this palette. It can really take you from day to evening to dramatic. I mean, whatever you want to do, I think you can find something cool to create with this Velvet Dusk eyeshadow palette from Lethal Cosmetics. This is currently sold out. It was, I believe, their holiday release for 2020. It retails for $47 on the Lethal Cosmetics website. Be sure to sign up for their emails so that you can be notified when this little beauty does come back in stock. As for the gel liners, I'm pretty sure this purple one that I used is in stock. This is Reverb, but I am not 100% sure on these other two new releases. The one I used on the lower lash line, this one was Phase. Really did enjoy this one. And I didn't get to use this one. This is that really cool mustard shade in the shade Hurts. So again, Hurts and Phase are part of the Velvet Dusk collection, and then Reverb was already a previous release. The gel liners retail for $15 a piece, and guys, look, it's still here. Like I even tried, look at this. They don't come off. They do not come off. I'm gonna have to get like an oil-based cleanser or micellar water to remove these. But I wouldn't be surprised after I take my shower tonight if these are still on my arm tomorrow. I'll definitely update you on my Instagram and let you guys know when these indeed came off and what I used to take them off with. But that's just a true testament to how good these Lethal Cosmetics products are. I cannot wait to create more looks with this gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I think this is just a beautiful color story. I'm really happy to have it in my collection, and I do look forward to adding more Lethal Cosmetics in the future. The mattes performed well, the shimmers performed well, minimal fallout, very easy to blend, guys, great pigmentation. One other thing I did want to point out really quick is that there are holes in the back of the palette, and this is just so that you can pop out the shadows and place them into your own Z palette or other magnetic palettes so that you can create the palette of your dreams. So guys, let me know your thoughts on Lethal Cosmetics. Have you tried this brand before? Did you order the Velvet Dusk eyeshadow palette? Maybe you've already tried the liners and you love them. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you thought of the look. Let me know what you thought of the collection. Just let me know your thoughts in general. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.